Okay, so check it out, guys. We got the handy dandy scanner bed hooked up to the Easy Driver stepper driver, as you can see, hooked up to the Arduino, and then hooked up to the digital input. We have a nice little knob, the handy dandy potentiometer. So I'm going to plug this in real quick and see if it works. Ready? So I turn the knob to the left and to the right. Left. Turn about halfway to the right. A little bit, a little bit. So it's pretty crude, but as you can see, we have our one axis Etch-a-Sketch. Thank you.